According to the latest findings of the UN Women's Study on the Care Economy, women in Bosnia and Herzegovina spend over 6 hours a day dedicated to the care of others, whether family members, children, or relatives. At the same time, men are dedicating almost precisely half the amount of this time to such activities. The majority of this work is unpaid work in the home, caring for families, children, the elderly, preparing meals, cleaning the household, continues to be perceived as women's work. At the same time, many forms of paid care work, such as household cleaning, remains predominantly performed by women. Women in Bosnia and Herzegovina are the backbone of society, and they often pick up where the state services stop. Although only 33% of women in Bosnia and Herzegovina are active in the labour market, as compared to 52% of men, 85% of women cook at least once a day. This March, the month when we are celebrating International Women's Day, we as the United Nations in Bosnia and Herzegovina are drawing attention to this work. Women are facing inequalities in every aspect of their lives, and one of them is the persistent gendered division of unpaid and paid care work. I urge everyone to recognise the value of unpaid work, to advocate for redistribution of care equally between women and men, but also between individuals and families, and the state and the private sector. Women and men in Bosnia and Herzegovina need policy solutions that will establish support and care systems that are human-centred, rights-based, gender-responsive, disability-inclusive and age-sensitive, and advance socio-economic progress. So join us in creating a gender-equal society that values paid and unpaid work equally, no matter who does it.